When I tell you I am so mad, I'm so mad. Walking towards my bathroom last night. Right? Tell me why I say some P-R-O-P in the toilet. Not the actual, but P-O-O-P. Yeah. You know what I mean? When I saw that stuff, the smell is coming up top from the toilet, top to bottom. That was so disgusting. When I tell you, I said,
flush the toilet after they've had a shit?
That's not me.
Well, it was fucking one of yours.
I sat there and said nothing. I was like, just don't do that. Because, y'all disgusting. That's really weird. I don't ever want to see you do that again. If you live in my household, listen, around here, you gotta flush the toilet, wash your hands, and get out for the next person to use it. Don't just sit there, wipe yourself, throw the towel in there, and then not flush your hands and wash your hands. That's disgusting. Oh, when I tell you, when I find out who did that. So, only 3 people live in my household. My mom, my sister, and me. But, that'll make that 4 for my uncle. Because he, used the bathroom a lot. If I find out who did that, I'm going to beat. It ain't going to be no joke, okay? When I tell you, I'm going to be so mad if I find out who did it. I'm going to be like that. And it's not going to be no joke either. Okay? Don't act like, say, hey, Amina. I'm going to, you're not even going to have a chance to talk. Yeah, that's all I'm going to tell you. Flush the toilet. Wash your hands. Thank you. Goodbye.